The compound interest paradox. If you save $200 a month starting today, you'll have less money than someone who starts 10 years later and saves $400 a month. Unless you understand one concept, which Einstein allegedly called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Compound interest is interest earning interest. Here is the difference from simple interest. These real numbers show how it grows. Say you put $1,000 in a savings account earning 10% a year. With simple interest, you earn $100 every single year. Flat, predictable, and boring. With compound interest, year one you also earn $100, but now your balance is $1,100. With compound interest, year one you also earn $100, but now your money is now making money on the money it already made. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. Year one you also earn, it's small, barely picking up snow. As it rolls, it gets bigger, and a bigger snowball picks up more snow per rotation. That's how your money behaves. Let's run the real numbers. $1,000 at 10% annual compound interest, year one, $1,000. Year five, $1,110. 10% compound interest over the decades. Year 10 grows to $2,594. Year 20 becomes, and year 30 is over $17,000. The growth from year 20 to 30 is bigger than your entire original investment multiple times over. That's not linear, that's exponential. And that difference is the entire secret to building wealth over time. You don't need to be a math genius to use this, and the formula is A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. A is the amount you end up with, and P is your starting principal. R is your interest rate as a decimal. N is how often it compounds. And T is time measured in years. The part people miss is N, is how often it compounds. More frequent compounding means faster growth. Interest that compounds monthly grows faster than interest that compounds yearly, because you're earning interest on interest more often. Most savings accounts and credit cards compound daily or monthly, not annually. And that detail matters more than people realize. Here's what nobody tells you. Compound interest works exactly the same way, whether you're saving or borrowing. When you invest, compound interest is your best friend. It grows your wealth automatically, quietly, in the background. When you carry credit card debt, compound interest is working against you, just as powerfully. A $5,000 credit card balance at 22% APR, compounding monthly, paying only the minimum, can take over 15 years to pay off. A $5,000 credit card balance, it can cost you more in interest than the original debt itself. Same math, opposite direction. A $5,000 credit card balance, that's why the first rule of personal finance isn't invest, it's get out of high-interest debt first. You can't control the market's average return, but you control two things that matter just as much. The first is time, and starting early beats almost everything else, even beating people who invest far more money later. Someone who invests $200 a month from age 25 to 35, just 10 years, then stops, ends up ahead. Likely have more money at 65 than someone who invests $200 a month from 35 to 65, 30 straight years. They'll likely have those early years had more time to compound. And time does the heavy lifting, not the amount. It is consistency, and compound interest rewards boring, repeated action, not timing the market, not chasing one lucky stock. Just showing up month after month, that's the whole secret. It's not exciting, it's not a hack, it's just math, given time. Compound interest isn't abstract. It's already in your life, and your savings account is working for you, slowly. Your 401k or retirement account is the big one, with decades of runway, and index funds historically average 7 to 10% annually. The single biggest mistake people make with compound interest isn't a math mistake, it's a delay. Every year you wait to start is a year of exponential growth you don't get back. So start small if you have to. Given time, $20 a month beats $0 a month, every time. And if this made compound interest finally click, subscribe, because we break down one money concept every week.